Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this cute monogram in Cricut Design Space. Monograms are perfect for any project such as bags, shirts, etc. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open up your browser and head to dafont.com. Then type in monogram in the search bar to look up the monogram font. Here you'll see several different monogram fonts that you can choose from. The most popular one is the second choice, so I'm going to click on it and make sure everything looks good. Then I'm going to download the font. I sped up this process to save some time on this video. However, I did create a video on how to download fonts from dafont.com, which I'll insert a card now at the top and put the link below to the video as well. Now we're going to open Cricut Design Space and type out initials. For those who do not know, your first initial goes first, then your last, and then your middle. And then you're going to change the font to the monogram font. So search it up in the bar and type in monogram because that's what it's called. And then we want to click on the font. And whoops, I actually made it in capital letters. I do like this style, but I do prefer the lowercase style better. So now we have to select and ungroup everything. Unfortunately, it does not automatically input the design we typically see as a monogram, so we'll have to slice every little thing individually. So in order to do this, you're going to have to slice. We need to take a shape, preferably a square. I'm going to change the color to probably yellow so it's easier to see. And then we want to take the left side of the A, the middle of the K, and the right of the N, as you can see. So we're going to take the square and slice the first A circle. Right now I'm going to adjust the size so you don't overcut anything. And make sure to just click on the yellow square and the A circle when you're ready to slice so we don't select any other items. So now once you select both of those things, we can click the slice button. Now don't take anything away yet. Select the yellow square and the K circle and slice again. Okay, now you can select everything we just sliced and delete. You can follow the same exact step for the K and the N circles. So again, you're going to get a square, preferably in a brighter color, and adjust the size accordingly. And like I said, only select the K circle and the yellow square, and then click slice. And then repeat the same thing for the N and the yellow square. And now you can remove everything that is yellow. We can finally adjust our monogram. So to keep it aligned, you can keep clicking your arrow buttons on your computer and whoops, my dad just called. Keep adjusting it until you're content with the final product. And to double check, you can align everything vertically. So select all of it and then align vertically. And then once you're finished, group it so we don't lose our alignment. And there it is. You can also weld it so it stays in place when you're actually going to make your project. And that's about it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please, as always, don't forget to like this video and comment below and subscribe. Thank you.
Can you hear my voice through the storm? Can you hear my